Hello everyone, this is Sam from DATEC Studios. In this video, I will show you how to bring back transform gizmo. First of all, make sure you enabled one of transform commands such as move, rotate, or scale. If you enabled one of these transform commands and still don't see, hold on Shift Control or Shift Command and press X. If you're using 3DSMax older version, which I mean older than 2014, simply press X button. If it still doesn't appear, go to Views menu and enable Show Transform Gizmo. In some cases, even you enable that, still you won't see Transform Gizmo. So the last solution is go to Customize menu, Preferences, find Gizmos tab, and enable Transform Gizmos on. That's it. Thanks for watching. See you in next video.